Hey naturals, welcome back to my channel. It is wash day with Wakati. So we are starting off on super duper dirty hair. But if you guys haven't seen my head in a while, listen, y'all see the growth. So I'm starting off with the sulfate free shampoo from Wakati. This is once again a sulfate free shampoo, so it is not going to strip your hair of all the natural oils. It is infused with natural shea butter and jojoba oils as well. Now, as far as cleansing, I do like to saturate my hair first and then apply the shampoo to my roots and then just down the hair shaft as I go. I do personally like to go in and separate and detangle my hair, or at least start off detangling my hair while I'm shampooing, and then I'll proceed with my shampoo brush just to get into the roots a little bit more. So after shampooing 2 times and detangling my hair a bit, I'm going to go in with the water activated advanced conditioner. If I'm not anything else, I'm a conditioner girly. I love to deep condition my hair in all ways, shapes, and forms. So when I do the conditioning part of my wash day, I do like to basically take my time and apply the conditioner evenly around my entire head before I even start going in with my tangle teaser to basically lock that product in. And I do let it sit for a little bit, whether I take a shower or do something else in between. Just let it sit and then go in and rinse it out once I feel like it is soaked in enough. So part 1 of wash day is complete. We are shampooed, conditioned, and I'm going to rinse, and then we're going to get started on the styling process. So I did find the style that I was really feeling on Pinterest. I'll insert the picture on the screen. So I decided to basically recreate this style. It was like a super cute little Bantu knot type of style with a wash and go basically in the back. So I'm parting off my first triangle in the front so that I can have my 2 little pieces in my face. And then behind that triangle, I'm going to part another upside down triangle. And from there, this is going to be my guide for basically my Bantu knots in the front of my head. Now that I pretty much am good with my 2 pieces, to start off with, I'm going to go in with the reactivating conditioning mist first. I like to brush that through first, and then I do follow up with the Wakati Oil Infused Hair Cream just to add the moisture back into my hair. And let me tell y'all, they work very wonderfully together, and it does leave your hair pretty much moisturized for like 4+ days. I've gone days, and even when I done a style in the front of my hair and left the washing go, I've restyled the front and just left the wash and go the same, and my hair was still moisturized after days. So super good product choice to try out together. Now for the little triangles, like I said, I'm doing Bantu knots, and I'm going to secure those with a rubber band. So I'm doing the first Bantu knot just to see if I even remember how to do them first. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize with the product and then braid down those 2 pieces to my face so that I continue on with the Bantu knots. So for this section, I tried to braid down on the head, but y'all know I'm not a corn roller, so we just gonna rock with whatever I can do. So I did braid almost all the way down. I probably left like an inch or inch and a half, and then just twirled my hair around my finger. And I'm gonna do this for the front 2 parts. Now from here, I'm just going in and parting off the rest of the front section that's going to be Bantu knotted. I'm going to do this for both sides and just try to part like evenly across so that nothing's uneven. Now from here, I'm going to get started on the remaining triangles and then just go ahead and Bantu knot those as well. Okay, that's enough for the Bantu Knots. Y'all get the idea. So now I'm gonna go in for the wash and go portion of this hairstyle. And I'm using the same products, the reactivating mist and then the oil infused hair cream. I am spritzing my hair with water before putting the products in because I do see that I get better results when my hair is pretty much soaking wet before putting any products on it. So just going to go section by section, layering those products in. And I've learned the perfect wash and go technique. You guys will see a little bit of it in this video, but if you guys want a more detailed video on my full new wash and go routine, let me know in the comment section and I will record that for you guys. But as you guys can see, it's a rake and smooth type of combination that I do, and I just find with my hair, one being soaking wet and doing these two smoothing methods or methods to put in the products, that I do get the best definition and best results, and that's with any product. You guys see how my curls literally just are popping at the ends. As far as my roots, I really don't pay those any mind because we can always go back and refresh those, but I just love for my ends to be doing what they need to do when I'm doing a wash and go. So I know you guys probably see the product looking like it's kind of like just sitting on top of my hair. Now I have low porosity hair, which is why I do like to make sure my hair is soaking wet, because my hair will dry super duper fast and get dry. So with having my hair soaked, it's easy for me to apply the products to my hair. But once I'm finished my wash and goes, another part of my new routine is heat right after I finish defining the curls. So you guys will see in a second that yes, my hair is popping, but there is still a little bit of product hanging on top of my hair. So after I lay my edges, I'm gonna go in with my diffuser. I do like to diffuse my hair a bit, almost to when my hair is like 80% dry when I'm doing any type of wash and go now. I just prefer that over air drying. But for now, I usually band my hair up whenever I have a wash and go to go to bed, so that I can, one, sleep comfortably, and two, so that my hair will not shrink up too bad in the morning. So it is morning time, bonnet off, and you guys see my hair is banded up a bit with my satin ties. Now if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on this as well, let me know in the comment section. But this is me just taking out my satin scrunchies and then going in with my diffuser just to make sure everything is dried up and fine. And once it's dry, I'm gonna go in with my pick and I'm gonna fluff my roots just a bit, so that I can get a little bit more volume in the back. But overall, products work amazing. Hair was smelling really good and it felt super moisturized, like I said, for several days at a time. And if I ever wanted to go back and refresh, I just did that with the oil infused hair cream. But other than that, I think the style actually turned out pretty cute. I'm in my era right now, especially because my hair is growing back, of trying new styles. So I thought this one was super cute. But if you guys enjoyed this natural hair video, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you guys are like, commenting, subscribing, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.